Do you want to do something?
I do not know what to do yet.
Do you want to make that banana bread?
Yeah.
Let's go do it then. Okay, so this is the banana bread mix that we're gonna be using, and here are some of the ingredients. But we only have these bananas, so we have to make these brown, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on the oven to 300. So now we're gonna put the bananas in the oven for about, let's do 15 minutes. And then if they're still not how we want them, we'll do another 15, okay? Okay, Matthew. So what do we have in front of us?
We have a stirring utensil, some milk, eggs, and some butter, 2 bowls, and our baking container,
And then
the banana bread mix. Sorry for the delay, but we're back now. First, we're gonna put the mix in.
what do you think?